Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be explaining the chain rule for differentiation. Now this one's not too hard, but let me know if you have any questions and I'll answer them down below. So question 1, differentiate y is equal to 2x squared plus 5x all cubed. Now because we have a function all cubed, we're going to use the chain rule to differentiate this. First thing you're going to want to do is let u equal 2x squared plus 5x. So let u equal whatever is in the brackets. So that means y is going to be equal to u cubed. And the chain rule is that dy over dx is equal to dy over du times du over dx. So if we want to find dy over dx, all we need to do is find dy over du and du over dx and then times them together. So dy over du, y is equal to u cubed, so differentiating y with respect to u, we're going to get 3u squared. And then for du over dx, well, u is equal to 2x squared plus 5x, so just differentiate with respect to x. That's going to give us 4x plus 5. So multiplying them together, we're going to get 3u squared times 4x plus 5. Substituting the u back in, we're going to get 3 times 2x squared plus 5x all squared times 4x plus 5. Now you can obviously expand it out, but quite often with these questions they will give you a particular x value that you need to put in at this point. So they'll be like, what is dy over dx at x is equal to 1? So you can just shove the value into there if you're doing that. I think it's probably fine to leave it like this. So I'll leave some other relevant videos down below as well, and I have a differentiation playlist if you're interested. Hope that helped, and best of luck with all your maths.